So now as you can see, I have utilized all my glass colors from the first set. Now I will add some more red glass color, but remember, while adding, add it in a separate position because that will make the drying process faster. Now we will do the same coloring part in the small flowers that are inside of the design. Adding some colors in the center, and I will not add some color in the top because the flower is itself very small. Too much color will not look good. For that, only add some color in the center part. Meanwhile, I have also added red colors to the 3-petal flower that is absolutely inside of the circle. You can see how beautiful glossy the Jaipur art is looking right now. After the red color is done, now we are ready for our green color. For the leaves, we will use this green color. I just cleaned my OHP sheet and then added some drop of green so that I can make the green leaves. With the same brush, I am adding green colors towards the leaf, at the bottom portion of the leaf and at the top peak of the leaf. Believe me, this process is very easy. Just you need a little bit amount of practice and control over glass color. Many of you have asked me about my private courses. Yes, there are some long detailed courses available in Skillshare and Udemy. There is detailed courses in Madhubani painting, Worli painting, Fad painting, Meenakari, Persian as well as Tanjore painting. The prices are pretty low, but if you want to get a free access, I can give you a 7 to 14 days free trial on Skillshare. You can find the links in the description box. So why are you waiting? Let's come and join the beautiful sea of Indian folk art. If you feel that your color is not darken enough, there is 2 ways you can fix that. First, you can wait so that the color thicken up and you can use that color. Also, you can give a double layer to the color so that it will give a more darker impression. After the outer border is done, now I will be adding the green color towards the leaf that are done inside of the design. As I mentioned previously, I need a darker blue in the center part. For that I have used light blue color first, and on top of it now I am adding a very thin layer of brown. At this point, if you have any other question, feel free to ask me because I am going to answer each and every question. Also, don't forget to follow and also check other courses that are already available in my profile. You can see how beautiful it's looking, right, as I have added one layer of blue and one layer of brown inside. With this, our last brown coloring is also complete. You can see how glossy and beautiful the Jaipur art is looking right now. There is some finishing touches that are still remaining that we will complete in the next video. First of all, we will start with cone work. Along with that, we will learn how to put stones on that. After stone work, we will start coloring, and finally with some additional detailings we will complete our Jaipur art. After completion, you can't imagine that this is done by you. This art piece is definitely going to elevate the soothingness of your home and also bring back the positivity.
To get this free course in free format, you just need to go to the link in the description box. After you open the link, you can see there is written free and also a coupon is applied. You can preview some of the sample videos and then you can add to cart. After clicking add to cart, you can see there is option for your name, Gmail and also a password. So you need to sign up with that. After the sign up, this billing address page will come up. This shows that the course is free. You just need to put your address and also your PIN code. And after that, click on enroll now button. After that, it's very easy. You can start the course from there. You just click start the course and you can see plethora of videos on that topic. After watching the entire course, you need to click the 5-star rating. Also, you can just complete the last course and you will get this 5-star rating. Give a good rating and also give an honest opinion so that more other artists like you can find my course. There is also PDF guides for each and every art form, so don't forget to download it from the resources page. So you must please hurry up because the seats are very limited. If you want to enroll in my other courses, you can search in Udemy and write my name and you can find all other courses offered by me. To know more such amazing Indian folk art, don't forget to subscribe to An Aberration Indian Folk Art channel.